speck of dust on your coffee cup. I can't see the light, I can't see the light. Breathe to be, they try to fend for me. Escape the night, escape the night. And I wonder as the world goes down, when answers to the call will go right through. And every time you say goodbye, I think to myself, could this be it for me and you? So
More than 10 years ago, I made a covenant with God na I won't enter into a relationship until I turn 18. If I will be able to keep that promise, may He grant my prayer.
make it too easy to love me, love me.
Akala ko hindi mangyari to dahil lagi tayong nag-aaway pati nun.
Afraid of light, are you afraid
Alam
of
ko, hirap
light?
ka na sa sitwasyon mo noon dahil hindi mo na alam kung anong gagawin mo. Kaya naman, nagpapasalamat pa din ako, binigyan mo ako pangalawang pagkakataon.
The world goes down.
Pinatunayan mo na kailangan ko lang magtiwala sa'yo. Siguro kung di mo ginawa yun, baka wala na akong magandang asawa ngayon.
And every time you say goodbye, I think to myself, could this be it?
Baka wala ka na din mabait na asawa ngayon.
Me and you.
I did not break my promise. Hindi ako nakipagrelasyon until I was 18. And God did really answer my prayer. My prayer is that bigyan niya ako ng lalaki na tapat, hindi ako sasaktan at di ako hahayaang masaktan. Basically, ayoko ng love story na tulad sa family ko.
Tables and chairs warmed by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel alone. This is a place
Minsan naiisip ko, you are too good to be true. Na natatakot ako, baka biglang mag-iba ka one day. But for the 7 years na nakilala kita at nakasama kita, lalo kitang minamahal. Sometimes I'll look at you and just thank God for hearing my plea. He really gave me not just the man of my dreams, but the man of my prayers and covenant.
Hindi pa po ako kasal, pero based sa sinabi rin ng pari kanina, marriage is not about never fighting, but about always choosing to come back, to forgive, and to love harder each day. Catherine? Be example to us ni na happy life and hindi maging katulad ng many naman.
ibibigay at ibibigay niya para sa'yo. At ikaw yun, babe. Ikaw yung binigay ni Lord sa akin.
Na stress na kayo sa preparation para sa kasal, no? Mas marami pa dahil marami pang mga araw, mga buwan, at mga taon ang lalakarin ng kasal. You will prepare for many different things for in your married life. And hopefully, the important thing is that through it all, through thick and thin, you will always end up together.
Don't be scared of having dreams. There's beauty in the simple things. Don't be scared of giving yourself away. So gather around this evening dream. Toast to things our whole hearts mean. I'm not scared of giving myself away. I wanna hold you closer. I wanna build some kind of home. I wanna real love. I wanna real love. I want it all or nothing.
Sa harap ng Diyos at ng mga taong malalapit sa atin, pinapangako kong iingatan kita at aalagaan hanggang sa ating pagtanda. Hindi man tayo perpekto, may mga panahon na di tayo nagkakaintindihan. Pero I promise to God na hindi kita iiwan at susukuan.
Time was not a waste. Finding you was worth the wait. I'm not scared of giving myself away. Yeah. I wanna hold you closer. I wanna build some kind of home. I wanna real love. I wanna real love. I want it all or nothing. I wanna live for something. I wanna real love. I want real love.
Kaya babe, kahit anong manghamon o pagsubok na haharapin natin magkasama, pangako na hindi kita iiwan. Nandito lang ako lagi para sa'yo.
I want
Ikaw
nothing
ang magiging
but
lakas ko
real
at ako ang
love.
magiging sandalan mo.
I want nothing. I want nothing. I want nothing but real love. I want nothing. I want nothing. I want nothing but real love. I wanna hold you closer. I wanna build some kind of home. I want real love. I want real love.
Masaya ako na ika-inabe kung hindi napagkarating ang pangarapan ko. At mas masayaya ang puso ko na balo kong ika ng abe kung mangarap para kay pamilyang buuan ka. Kaluguran na ka, babe. I love you forever and always.